Want the juiciest golden roasted chicken straight from your oven? Stay with me and I'll show you how in just a few easy steps. 1 whole chicken, about 3 to 4 pounds, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 lemon, halved, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon dried thyme. First, pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This helps it crisp up. Rub the entire chicken with olive oil. Season generously with salt, pepper, paprika, and thyme, making sure to coat evenly. Stuff the cavity with lemon halves and garlic cloves for extra flavor. Place the chicken breast side up on a roasting rack or baking tray. Roast in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour 15 minutes or until the skin is golden brown and juices run clear. If you have a thermometer, the thickest part of the chicken should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, let the chicken rest for 10 minutes before carving. This keeps it juicy and flavorful. And there you have it. Perfectly roasted chicken, crispy on the outside and tender inside. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe for more easy meals.